Here I've got HUAWEI Mate 30 and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select sounds, here they are, go to phone ringtone and then select one from the following options. So let me go with 3 of them. Let's start with bones. Dream It Possible. Or Pulse. And let me leave this one, if you will go back, you can see that the ringtone has been changed, so now you've got Pulse as your ringtone for SIM the first. And obviously you can change the tune for your SIM card the second by going to SIM second and then pick the one that you would like to have, for example Dream, go back, and as you can see it has been changed as well. So that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily change ringtone in your HUAWEI. Congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.